Here's how we used our extra tiles to make the perfect stocking stuffer for our friends obsessed with water rings. Chances are you have a spare sheet of your mosaic tile lying around after your reno project, and we hate to see them go to waste. We decided to cut them down into 4x4 tile squares and glue them to a sheet of cork to protect the surface from scratching and slipping. Then we mixed up a whole lot of our Ardex Ultra White grout, making sure we reached the consistency of toothpaste, and scraped it on. We used a grout float to smooth the grout into the gaps and remove the excess on the tiles. Wait for the grout to dry down, then go in with a damp sponge to wipe off the grout haze, bringing out the bright colour of the tiles. The contrast with the white grout looks absolutely stunning and is the best bright prezi for someone who's still impressed by your DIYs.